If PC Business Insurance Denmark pricing explained what you get for your money. In Denmark's fast-moving business world, one accident or unexpected event can put your company at serious risk. That's why If PC Insurance is one of the most popular choices for Danish entrepreneurs and companies looking for strong, flexible protection. But what do you really get for your money? If PC Business Insurance usually starts at around 250 to 500 Danish kroner per month for small enterprises. The actual price depends on your business type, number of employees, and annual revenue. For example, a small consultancy will likely pay less than a manufacturing business with heavy equipment. The foundation of any If PC policy is liability insurance. It covers you if your business causes injury or property damage to others. Whether it's a client tripping in your office or accidental damage at a customer site, this coverage helps protect you from expensive claims. Then comes property insurance, which covers your physical assets like offices, tools, computers, and stock against fire, flooding, or theft. If your business relies on machinery or tech equipment, this coverage is crucial. If you work in a professional field like finance, or design, professional indemnity insurance is another important option. It protects you from claims of negligence or errors that could cause financial loss to clients. If PC also offers modern solutions like cyber insurance, protecting you from data breaches and digital attacks, and business interruption insurance, which replaces lost income if your operations are temporarily shut down. Most people get this wrong. They think business insurance only matters after something big happens. But the real value is in being prepared before it does. So, what do you get for your money? Comprehensive coverage, strong local support, and a reliable partner that understands how Danish businesses operate. With If PC Business Insurance, you're not just insuring your business, you're ensuring it keeps moving forward, no matter what challenges come your way.